Rolling. On standby. Anytime. 3, 2, 1.
I have covered so many catastrophe, mga bagyo, even wars with TV5, pero this was something different.
Hindi lang siya basta massive flooding, hindi lang siya basta flash flood. It was really parang wrong from the very start.
Actually, nanginginig ako ngayon. It's been 10 years, pero parang fresh pa rin sa akin yung mga memories.
Alam mo yung parang hindi mo alam kung saan ka magsisimula. Ayun, teka lang. Ayan. Ano ba yan? Pinapayak ko.
Yun yung first time ko talaga makakita ng ganun kagrabe yung devastation.
Nahiwalay kasi ako sa team ko. Nawala ako for 3 days.
Nare-recall ko pa tsaka yung mga bodies na nakikita ko. It keeps on coming back.
Sobrang lakas ng hangin, hindi na makaandar yung sasakyan namin.
I was also, fighting for my health, fighting for my life.
I will just say, I was just thankful that I'm still here. We were able to survive and live through it, and now telling you the story.